And after we have welcomed the Almighty in our thoughts, in our expression, and in our day, I now take the opportunity of extending a very warm welcome to all of you to this prestigious award ceremony, which celebrates excellence in education. So as we move on to the first set of awards, I would like to once again invite Dr. Shashi Tharoor, our chief guest, to kindly do the honor of presenting these awards. And we would also like to express our thanks to University First, which are the sponsors of this research which was done. The next award is for the Best Institute for Financial Management Studies in India. And it goes to Indian Institute of Finance. We have Chairman, Professor J.D. Agarwal. And as I know, Vice Chairman, Professor Saurabh Agarwal, if he is also here, would like to request him to kindly grace the dais. The next award is for the best placements amongst autonomous management institutes in North India. And this award goes to Department of Management Studies, IIT Delhi. I think we have the representative and member media committee, Mr. Nishant Kumar, coming and receiving the award. IIT Delhi, no introduction of course required, is the best in research among all B schools. It boasts of being one of the best colleges in terms of return on investment. It is the center of excellence, and the professors of Department of Management Studies, IIT Delhi, act as consultants in the government, as well as at several private companies on matters of strategic importance. The next award is for the best upcoming private engineering college in North India, and it goes to Gulzar College of Engineering. Executive Director, Mr. Gurkirat Singh, is here. Gulzar College of Engineering has been a home away from home for its students from different parts of India getting quality education. The college also offers varieties of practical exposures to its students that help individual students to grow professionally, socially, and spiritually.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A few years back, I was traveling by train and I stopped at a station to buy a book. And I was very intrigued to see the cover of the book. It was of a sadhu sitting on a motorcycle, hearing a cell phone. I immediately picked up the book and saw the author, Dr. Shashi Tharoor. A very interesting read. If I'm not mistaken, the title of the book was The Elephant, the Tiger, and the Cell Phone. It talked about India, the country best represented through an animal in the form of a graceful and a mighty elephant. But that elephant changed. In this current world, the changing scenario, the way India developed, that elephant was lethargic. It talked about India in the 70s and 80s being a slow country. Anybody who talked about India being the developed country was considered a fool. But then the tiger came in. The elephant changed into a tiger. And that's what Dr. Shashi Tharoor thought about India. This country is changing. He is amongst the first persons to recognize the potential the Indian economy has and the way it has changed in the last decade. I believe many amongst us are representatives of the tiger. The dynamic change you guys have brought to the industry, to the education industry, it has really evolved in the last decade. I've been a great honor to be present amongst yourselves and being awarded for the best upcoming college in North India by Dr. Shashi Tharoor. I thank Brands Academy. Our institute is based in the industrial town of Ludhiana, and we've brought in new technologies, new things, the way of teaching. Amongst other things, we've also added a new curriculum in our program, which is BTech in Automation and Robotics Engineering, which we believe will change the way education is being taught in India and the way industry will use. So I'm very glad to be a part of this August gathering. Thank you very much.